Have you ever wondered who makes sure the animals used in research and teaching are treated ethically and humanly? That's the role of the Animal Ethics Committee, often called the AEC. The AEC protects animal welfare and ensures that every project using animals is ethically justified and scientifically sound. Its main goal is to balance scientific progress with animal welfare. The AEC includes people from different backgrounds. That means it has 4 membership categories, which includes Category A, that is veterinarians who focus on animal health. Category B, that is scientists who focus on research and project designs. Category C, that is animal welfare representatives who focus on animal care. And Category D, that is community members who give public opinion as a part of societal license. The reason behind having this diverse background of membership is to have fair and balanced decisions so that there is no bias. Now let's understand how the overall process works. First, before any research using animals begin, scientists drafts application to submit to the AEC. Once AEC gets the application, they review it carefully, checking several things such as why animals are needed, how many animals are needed, and what steps are there in the application to minimize pain and distress. After checking these things, and only when the AEC is satisfied that the project is justified and human, they give approval to proceed. If the AEC is not satisfied, they will either reject the application or defer it, requesting modifications in the project. While reviewing the applications, the AEC follows 3 R's, that is, replacement, reduction, and refinement. Replacement means using alternatives to animals wherever possible. For example, computer models can be alternatives to using animals. Tissue culture can be another alternative. Previous database can also be another alternative. Reduction means using the smallest number of animals necessary to achieve reliable results. For example, we can use better experimental design to plan the study. We can also share tissues with other researchers. We can also do pilot studies before full experiment. Refinement means improving procedures and care to minimize pain and enhance animal welfare. For example, providing painkillers to animals during surgery, providing training to animals so that they are willing to participate in the study voluntarily, using better techniques while doing procedures in animals. Once the AEC provides their decision, the scientist starts their project. However, AEC will still monitor those projects by checking about animal care, monitoring unexpected events, inspecting the facility, monitoring annual and other progress reports, and taking actions as necessary. Therefore, scientists and researchers must report regularly to the AEC to comply with the ethical standards. The Animal Ethics Committee play a vital role in maintaining public trust in research. They make sure animals are respected and only used when truly necessary for the benefit of science, humans, and animals. So next time when you hear about animal research, remember every project has been carefully reviewed by the Animal Ethics Committee. They are the guardians of ethical science and animal welfare. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel so that you never miss our contents. See you again in the next video. Until then, watch to inspire and keep inspiring.